Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. And today's another video tutorial. I'm going to share to you on how you can insert header or footer in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. We need first to open Microsoft Excel. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Now once your Microsoft Excel has been opened, you need to click on the blank workbook. Now, once you are in this window, you need to look at the ribbon at the top and you can find all these tabs. Now, simply click on the Insert tab and here you will find text. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find header and footer. Click on that and that's it. You just need to simply type your header from here. So let me just quickly type, let's say for example, document 1. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a header. And if you want to add a footer, you can also do that. Just do the same thing. It's up to you on you want to put the same header or the same footer. But here's how you can add that. You just need to simply write your header from here and your footer from here. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.